Metzger Property Services presents this fantastic opportunity to purchase a majestic home and property in northern Indiana. Bidding on this online-only auction of Elkhart County property is underway until November 26th. Just north of Middlebury at 11060 County Road 10, these 60 acres will be offered in 2 individual tracts and the entirety. Tract 1 is 34 acres and features a luxury home accessed by a long scenic driveway. The 5-bedroom home has 5.5 bathrooms, 2.5 kitchens, a garage apartment, and a full basement. Discover a spacious foyer and vaulted ceilings on the main level, as well as a gourmet kitchen with walk-in pantry, expansive living room with stone fireplace and library complete with custom built-ins. The master bedroom on the main level is 20 by 16, has walk-in closet and ensuite, plus stone fireplace, and sitting room with access to deck area, while 4 additional bedrooms are arranged upstairs. The finished walkout basement with 9-foot ceilings has theater room, kitchen, exercise room, and sauna. The 3-car attached garage is well insulated and complete with boiler heated floors, while the large apartment above the garage has kitchen, full bathroom, and laundry area. All outbuildings on the property have electricity with heated automatic water feeders in the pasture. Tract 2 is an ideal building site, 26 acres in size, in a secluded setting off County Road 10. Be sure to visit the open house Wednesday evening, November 17th from 5:30 to 6:30. These 60 acres in Elkhart County, complete with secluded 5-bedroom luxury home, dream garage, outbuildings, and much more, will sell at online-only auction through the Metzger Property Services online bidding platform at bidmetzger.com. Bidding will close at 6 o'clock Friday evening, November 26th. To find out more, call Metzger Property Services 260-982-0238 or visit the website metzgerauction.com.